People saying hold, but most of the phalanx pulls back. Most of the phalanx pulls back. And it doesn't look like a hold is happening there. Just rushing in, grabbing people.
It's hard not to see the parallels if they're willing to do this to people. Imagine what they'll do to citizens.
God damn. There's 6 federal flashbangs and left notes.
Typical COD player spamming.
Oh. And there's fucking tear gas cloud.
Jeez, firing squad's putting in overtime today.
We got a fence for our left working.
I heard they're booked for some Jews next week. I heard some political dissenters the week after.
God damn. I gotta watch my eyes out, folks. Right. Thank you. Okay. Would you take these off for a sec? Oh, thank you, Elena. Elena's cleaning my glasses, as she has often done. When I spent. Huh? Oh. Ash. I hate it. I think that may be pulling back, though. Oh. And the phalanx, I think I'm okay. Thank you, though. And the phalanx advances again. After the feds back off. Shit, I gotta pull back from that for a second, y'all. God damn. My eye is fucked up right now. Fuck. Yeah. It's this fucking guy that got shot. Oh, my shot eye hurts. Man, I do not like getting shot in the eye, everybody. Oh. I got another battle, or another phalanx here, moving up. Confronting the federal battle line. Leaf blowers trying to push it. Pushing gas back as having the feds now shooting munitions into the crowd. Oh, including more of that fucking gas. People, god damn. Again, a phalanx advancing under fire. Heavy fire. Tear gas grenades and pepper balls. just pounding the crowd as they advance and start throwing the grenades back. The feds retreating, pulling back. We have a grenade arcing through the sky.
Who the fuck was that guy shooting?
Really incredibly brave crowd here.
Typical American just fucking shooting in the sky. Fucking morons working for the government. But then again, it's the government.
And they move forward. I mean, this crowd's amazing. Oh, sorry. I know, dude, I know. More leaf blowers. And you see now, as they advance, the phalanx loses some of its consistency, right? A lot of it. They're in a much looser formation now, which makes blowing the gas away a lot more difficult. Go the fuck home! Yeah, I'm tasting more gas in the air as they lose their formation a bit. Oh, and as they drop gas on us. Oh, oh my eyes are fucked today, everybody. I do apologize. I do apologize. Just another street fight in Portland, Oregon. And the crowd moves to retake the intersection. All right. And they've done it, folks. They've done it. Well, that is impressive as hell, everybody. And you can still see just a tremendous amount of tear gas in the street. A fucking, like a tornado of tear gas moving through the street here. The feds left so much gas behind that there's a fucking tornado of tear gas in the streets of downtown Portland. That is a fucking tornado of tear gas. Oh my god.
I wonder if those are natural in the wild.
That is a tear gas tornado.
Oh, we've seen it all.
In the streets of Portland, Oregon.
It's the apocalypse. That can't be healthy for a country to have happening.
Unbelievable.
Holy God. What the fuck is happening? Wow. Welcome to America in 2020. Just, you know, Nazi Germany used to gas in concentration camps. We just gas out on the streets and create fucking tornadoes. Oh, your house think you're safe? Well, wait till we send our tornado at you. Motherfuckers like, oh, the government controls the weather with heart. I'm like, motherfucking government creating motherfucking tornadoes made out of tear gas. Should be worried about those motherfuckers too. Stupid.
Wow.
Spicy.
Federal rush. Oh, no, they're just gassing. Just people scurrying to get the gas. We got a man very badly tear gassed here. Here, man, you need some more water? Hey, buddy. Open your eyes for me, okay, man? I know it's gonna suck. All right, 1 second. Let me get your other eye. Open your eyes again. All right. Give me your other eye one more time, my man. All right, open that eye up. Come on, give me big. Give me big. All right, good, buddy.
I got saline as well. Is it still burned?
Yeah, he's fucked up, man. You should get him some saline. Fuck it. Ooh, now I am out of water, though, so that's not going to be fun when we get shot at repeatedly again. Elaine?
Alright, I think I gotta stop him.
Phalanx is doing the thing it does again.
Oh, fuck.
Goddamn. Yeah, I'm gonna go try to get some water from Riot Ribs if it's not
Shout out.
undifferentiated mass of tear gas. Hey, John. Oh, I'm doing all right. I got shot in the eye a couple.
I just love the joke, like, got no money for healthcare, got no money for college education, got no money for infrastructure, got no money for a living wage, got no money for this, got no money for that. Come to militarizing the military or the police. Endless budget. This is the country y'all want. People dying because of pandemics. Meanwhile, we gassing the shit out of people. I've never, well, the cone works so well. Show me what political ideology supports that other than fascism or like a deep authoritarian communist state. I'll wait. Just another crumbling empire over militarized due to its imperialism, which is a byproduct of imperialism. These aren't fucking, it's not, you don't just end up like this, I'll tell you that much.
He was all talking to him. He and I were looking for you, but you had vanished.
Oh, yeah, there was a tear gas tornado that I had to capture. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's a Portland Police Bureau siren. That is a Portland Police Bureau siren. So Portland Police is ordering people to leave the area. They've got their LRADA going. And they're threatening arrest and use of force. People are kind of milling around in a couple of different directions. So PPB is in play at this point. But the Phalanx has retaken the street in front of the federal courthouse, in between it and the Justice Center. Yeah, the feds have pulled back. So it looks, I mean, maybe the police will beat us instead. They didn't come out last night, so I don't know.
Put more tear gas in the streets than we were willing to put fucking clean water into Flint. We're putting more tear gas in the streets than money into the pockets of the working class. We're putting more tear gas in the street. That's all I got.
On the streets over here. It's unreal. Like, really pretty objectively wild.
God damn.
Still a few hundred people, it looks like, in the crowd. Oh, they're shooting the gas again. And there's Garrison. you know have any idea how many? 3 arrests? Yeah. When you don't have that many people in the shield wall, you're kind of asking to get good shield wall folks arrested. That does seem to be the case. Oh, they disappeared, huh? Yeah. So that was disappear gas. Yeah. Well, clearly they're nowhere near here.
They must have just left for good.
Garrison is mystified, everybody. Good phalanx tonight. My only worry is that, like, yeah, when you advance, I don't know, people getting pulled out of the phalanx and losing them, you're losing your best folks. But, I don't know. Tonight's been a pretty good fight. Just a car driving through a cloud of tear gas in the city of Portland.
I guess it would be fair to say it is healthy that they are fighting out on the streets to show corruption, that they won't take over the state with the populace willingly, or they won't willingly allow authoritarian, blatant fashion. You know, the emperor wears no clothes. It's like Obama was wearing fancy clothes, aka his rhetoric and talking ability. But Trump's, as I was telling Bruce earlier, it's like, you notice how everybody clowned on Trump. Everybody clowned on Bush. I know this for very sure. A lot of people clowned on Bush Sr. Everybody clowned on Nixon. Everybody fucking hates, not everybody, you know what I mean, but a large percentage of people absolutely despise Reagan for good reason, and all these other cronies. I don't hear anybody bitch about Carter. I don't ever hear people bitch. I mean on the right mostly. When I say this, I mean on the left mostly for the Republicans. You don't hear any bitching about Carter. I don't ever hear any shit about Clinton. It's only Obama. You notice that? Again, the Republicans are, I guess you'd say they're the dog whistle to the right, I guess. But in the same sense, they're bad at hiding how corrupt the government is also in the other sense. So Obama was excellent at hiding it. That's the issue.
Otherwise, I'm going to take a break for both the sake of my throat and the sake of my mind. But you got to see a lot of horrible things tonight, and so did I. So I hope you've all enjoyed seeing horrible violence done to what are mostly very nice people with shields in the streets of Portland, Oregon. I will be back, I'm sure, if not tomorrow, then the next day, to bring you more of that.
Alright, your boy finally is about to take a break. I've been at it now. Run these vids straight, because, like, you know, shit be going down. So we hit a mute point. Probably like a 60-70% chance the cops come out and riot again, because they're in their riot gear. And when in Rome type of thing. When in a police state and you're police, you might as well police state. So we'll find out. Keep an eye on Twitter. Check out any of the Portland press, like he said, the Portland Press Corps. They do excellent shit. That community is deep, and they retweet shit and shit. What the fuck is this? But anyways, yeah, information is not hard to come by for Portland, which is very good. Even better protesting community than what happened in CHOP, essentially, also. For the most part. No gunplay, just... Alright, so... It's been decent. Decent.
Get anything good? What's that? Get anything good? Same old shit. Same old shit. Hey, Have you seen any of those CTS ones? Hey, tell them moms what we really need are oven mitts, man. because they shoot it so far that to just throw it a tiny bit doesn't help. You gotta carry it far enough to throw it past the front line. Yeah. So, man, help us out and tell them suburb moms, fucking moms, every mom bring an oven mitt.
Dads bring leaf blowers, moms bring oven mitts. This protest is about to become a family thing. This is fucking crazy. You had technically you had the TikTokers trolling Trump, which was also a form of protest. So again, every age group, every demographic is coming out and protesting the police state. Not every political affiliation is. Again, the ironic thing is all these people bitching about, right, don't do a race war. You're being pinned against each other. Oh, this, and that. Again, the only dividing factor from a revolution right now instead of a protest is, again, the other half of the country that are pussies and like boots. This isn't a political issue. This is a philosophical and countryal issue. And we've seen what we're supposed to do in this circumstance. It's in the Declaration of Independence. And it wasn't... Again, you saw the Southerners join with the Northerners to overthrow what you do against imperialism. So the blueprint's there. The precedent is there. A good chunk of the population's getting on board with it. Except for the dividing factor. The biggest one is the fake two-party system. And a lot of people, other than Jimmy Dore, secular talk has kind of been coming for it. If you just go against the whole political system as opposed to, just as Democrat, Jimmy Dore was right. He was right in 2016. He was right. He's usually always right. He's smart. He's a comedian, jag-off comedian. And rhetoric is valuable, especially simple, eloquent rhetoric where it's, yeah, fuck the duopoly. It's like, oh, okay. Like, again, if there wasn't a duopoly, if there was more, I don't even know about that, but if there wasn't if the duopoly wasn't so strong and as stupidly divided opposed to logically divided, we would see something different. That's why I said, that's why I shit on that one. Let me see if I can find it real quick. So.
Home team streamers? You got any home team streamers? Hey, I'm streaming. You're streaming? So, this is what we need to tell the moms. They need to get their... Let them know. Hey, moms, bring an oven mitt tomorrow. Oven mitts work. The problem with gloves is that they're shooting the tear gas into the people in the back with no masks. And in order to get the tear gas away from those people, you gotta hold it in your hand long enough to get close enough to the front that you can sail it over the shields. There's no way to do it unless you can close your hand around the tear gas for a number of seconds. This is an oven mitt with heat-resistant paint, and it still has a burn in it. I got heat-resistant paint. Bring oven mitts. Bring oven mitts to Riot Ribs any time of the day tomorrow. Bring oven mitts, please, Mom. Thanks.
So let me do this one. I probably already have the image, but the point is, there's such a thing as an unprecedented. This guy is a goof. I love him. That guy is silly looking. They even said at some point they agreed to take down the Confederate flag. The irony. And they united because it's in everybody's best interest. Again, they'd call this Marxism. The irony. The joke. I mean, again, it's, you know, and then get that guy's face out of here. I'm not saying that they're all perfect people or that they're even all good people. However, I'm saying they all are people and we have a lot in common with them. And if this is the stance of 60 to 70 to 80% of them, you know, I consider that, you know, a save image ally that I'm worthy of of continuing to hold hope for, you know. I don't need that one. Take that one. I don't know. I just again, you can literally just do a quick Google search and look up the crimes they committed, and to see if they're the real deal or not, and to see what they really believe in. It's not like they're accused of going around lynching people. Well, black people, they're going around lynching other people, but you know, that's the joke. So I don't know. You trust a man by his actions, and essentially they're not as clear cut, but they technically are like a John Brown version in 2020, but more of the philosophical issue with the whole policing or the whole government system and its corruption. And I guess since they're pro-gun but anti-police state, they're also just anti maybe the bureaucratization of the policing or the government's policing sector. I guess I don't know. It's use some of those words, you'll figure out what the fuck I was trying to say. Something like that, though. I don't know. Oh, so while I was here, so they try to do this shit. Remember, Boogs? Where the fucking they're known for the shirt, the fucking dildo shit. Oh, the Hawaiian shirt.
Hey, Paul. If you guys appreciate the work, please share the video out.
But anyways, I don't know what that. Oh, I know what that is. Sorry, I don't know who that is. Whoa, I didn't know about that. Oh man, that's in '69 too. We'll save it anyways. Yeah. See, this is what I was saying. But telling people like this early, this morning breakfast program. Before was it? You know, it's hard not to see these pictures and feel like, oh, we've regressed as a society when we should have progressed. Oh, that's pretty funny. I like that. That is fucking savage. Looks like I got that. Oh man, this is fucking nuts. This isn't even what I wanted. Shit. Yeah, the young lords are with them too. That's why they really didn't like it. They really united like everybody in Chicago at the time. This guy is like these glasses, like these are like chilling with like guys like these glasses, and I don't know what's up with those glasses, but with a guy that looks like this with this cool jacket. I mean, that jacket's cool too. But with like this setup with the sweater vest type thing, when the buttons are cool, I guess. I don't know. I don't know, man. Man, you know, it should be crazy. They had this one. It's sad. Oh, there's that. Remember, Clinton and Gore was Dixiecrats. Anyway, so the point was like, except the Boogs have actually attacked. Unlike, and then that was my point. So, I don't know. I see the Boogs and I think this. I think an alliance. You know. True. You know. sadly true. I mean, that's what happened. You know, I just say like this, like I said, like this picture resonates with me. Like, especially like you know, like you never seen like motherfuckers. It's like these dudes. These aren't like either like these aren't your normal white dudes. Like look, bless you. Like these are Confederate white dudes, and they still fucked with them. Anything's possible type of thing. That's the point. I mean, I agree with that slightly. It's an ongoing debate, though, but it's logical. What was wasn't December 4th D-Day? Zach, when was D-Day? Or when was Pearl Harbor? I mean,
Pearl Harbor, December 11th of
Oh, it was
1941.
Okay. Oh, there's this stuff. Yeah. Yeah, you see they're feeding people. Oh no, they're horrible. Someone's gotta feed people. Yeah, so like this is in the morning and shit. And I just see they got some tables thrown together.
The fist waves for people.
You know. Dude, there's a joke about that. We go do that. Anyways, well, that's the vid. That was dope. Nothing much happened. Good. Alright, throw VLC at people. Must have came out.
Shit.
Well, the police state and Riot, it's an interesting mess. Kind of cool. The protesters are squeaking. You know. But thanks for watching. Peace out. About to get some sleep. I'm about to dodge some tear gas.